DJ.
You're out?
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, are you?
I'm alright. Please, there is something I want to discuss with you.
What's that? I hope there's no problem.
Not really. It's about the suitor that came here yesterday. Please. I want you to accept his proposal. Accept him, get married to him, so that all this quarrel with your parents will end.
Ugo.
Please.
Ugo. I woke up this morning very happy and excited. Please. Why do you want to spoil it for me now?
I don't want to spoil it for you.
Ugo. The young man came for you and not for me. So if there's anybody in this house who should marry him, then that person should be you.
Well, he later changed his mind. Have you suddenly forgotten? He did. All I want is peace in this house. Ever since that man left this house, your mother has not allowed me to rest. Bikono, just accept his proposal so that everything will end.
Ugo, if you don't want me to get upset throughout this week, can we stop this discussion now and forever? Biko.
It's alright if you insist.
Better.
Pom pom. Pom pom. Who is here? Pom pom.
Onya? Hey, Ugochi.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, you look so beautiful today.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please, let's go in. Let's go in, Ugochi. Listen, you have nothing to worry about, okay? No need to be afraid. You are safe. You know? You are welcome to my humble abode.
Your house is fine. Yes.
Please don't mock me.
Yes, it's okay. Not bad.
Alright. What will I offer you?
I don't want anything.
No. Please, what will I offer you?
Honestly, I'm fine.
You don't look bright. What's bothering you?
I don't know what I've done wrong to my uncle. I don't know. Whenever good thing wants to come my way, he looks for every possible means to block it. I don't know why. It's breaking my heart, honestly.
So what happened?
A few weeks back, someone came to ask for my hand in marriage. He told the person tales about me and pushed the man to his first daughter, Josephine. And the man married her. Just 2 days ago, another suitor came to ask for my hand in marriage again. He still did the same thing and pushed the man to Ijoma. It's just that Ijoma is a very nice person and she turned the man down. But even at that, it's not nice. I'm not happy about this, and this is supposed to be my uncle, my father's brother.
It's alright, calm down. That's what I call God's plan.
I don't understand.
I call it God's plan because all those things have been happening to you because of me.
How do you mean?
I want to marry you.
Oh please, I don't like it when you joke with me. I'm telling you things that are happening to me. I'm talking about marriage.
I'm serious. I want to marry you.
Okay, fine. I know you're joking. Let's talk about something else. Have you eaten today? What did you cook? Do you have food in the house? In fact, I want to eat something now.
I want to marry you.
Chimaobi! Chimaobi, please! This is the first time I'm coming to your house. Don't making me shine now.
I want to marry you.
After you.
So, Papa, we have to be on our way now. When Mama comes back, tell her that we came.
It's alright, my daughter. I'll do so, eh?
Just send my greetings to my mother-in-law. Tell her that the day that I comes back, I'll come and see her.
It's okay. My regards to her own parents too, eh?
Okay. I'll do.
One more thing. Please remind their father. Oh? Remind them that they have not completed or even paid the dowry. Oh, I'm still waiting.
I'll tell them. No time is late, sir.
Okay.
I will tell them.
Please. It's okay. Let me see your back. So I'll leave you to here.
Let's go, please, sir. Very cautiously.
Be careful.
Yes.
Okay. Missing you.
Hey.
Bye. Okay. I'm still waiting.
I wonder what this kind of marriage is. How can a girl pack all her belongings and move in with a man who has not paid her bride price?
My sister, I'm speechless. Your parents supported her. Maybe that's how they want it. But it is a very shameful act.
I'm so ashamed of her. Go Cairo chai biko.
You mean Ugochi came to your house yesterday and you told her you want to marry her?
Of course not. She came to my house and I looked her eyeball to eyeball and told her I want to marry her.
So what did she say?
She looked at me and walked out.
Meaning she accepted or what?
I can't explain that reaction, but I love Ugochi. If she says no to me, my brother, I will die.
Okay. Let me ask you. What if she says yes? Are you going to bring her into that your empty room that you don't even have DVD, no television, not even a sound system to... What do you think will be keeping her happy in that house?
Good. Let me tell you what you don't know. You see, true love conquers it all. When a woman truly loves you from her heart, she will stay with or without those things you mentioned. She's not after material things now.
Chimaobi, that one is before, not girls of nowadays. See, so many of them prefer those things even more than their husband. I'm telling you, because it makes them happy more than their husband.
I like the way you said it. Some of them. My Ugochi is exceptional. She will stay without material things. Yes.
Even at that, you need to do something.
Do something like what?
My friend, you know what I'm talking about. I said, you just go to the market, buy her DVD, television, everything. Buy her sound system.
Yeah.
Make her happy.
You're
not a child. I'm telling you.
I won't drop a bag because I want to impress
you. Just have to do something about it.
Yes. Should I run because I want to buy DVD and okay. True love.
outside here by this time of the night? What are you thinking?
I'm fine. It's just that I'm worried.
Worried about what?
Someone asked that I should marry him. So I have been pondering over what we discussed.
Marry him? Who is the person? Is he from this our village?
No, his name is Chimobi. He's a stranger in this village. Though according to him, he said he's from Ama-Avo community.
And what did you tell him?
I have not given him any answer yet. Though I like him.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is he a nice person?
Well, from the little I have seen, he is nice.
In that case, I would like to see him.
Then I'll take you there. As a matter of fact, that's what I've been here thinking about. I'm sorry I did not come to your room to discuss it with you. It's because of Josephine. I wouldn't want her to hear anything I want to talk to you about.
I've told you to leave those people. Forget them. All I want is your happiness. So, can we go inside now?
I'm fine.
You're welcome. Let's go in now. Why are you people outside?
No, don't worry yourself.
What is that?
That's my sister.
I know her.
Ijoma. You don't have to worry. I've only come to tell you something.
Hey, but let's go in now. Unlike you, why will you stay outside?
You're fine here.
Okay. If you insist, I'm all ears.
Okay. I have come to tell you that I have decided to marry you.
Ugochi, please and please. I hate pranks, I hate suspense, I hate jokes. Be serious.
I'm not joking with you. I can't joke with such thing. I have decided to marry you.
You will marry me?
Yes.
Hey, thank you.
The sun is shining bright for you. Wiping tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wiping tears, everything is alright now. Forget the past, 'cause you are new. No more tears, everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you.
You want to buy drink?
Yes, so please,
You
maybe
don't
we
have to
should
stress
manage.
yourself. Okay, look, we'll share it, no problem. We'll get the opener.
No, let me open it with my teeth.
No, it's not good for the teeth. Oh, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Just get opener. Huh?
Go. Are you sure you're comfortable with this relationship?
Why do you ask?
Are you blind? Can't you see what I'm saying?
Don't worry, I'm comfortable. Just eat. I know you are worried because there is no meat in the food. When we get home, I'll dash you my meat. Okay? Alright, we'll share the Coke. I know you like Coca-Cola. Let's eat first. You like him?
I like him and he looks very nice.
He is.
But my problem is that he is very poor. And I wonder how he will take care of you if he finally marries you.
I know he is poor, but we love ourselves. The most important thing is love. And I know that God Almighty will provide for us when the time comes. I believe he has a bright future.
bright future?
Yes.
Ugo, how can you tell me that a stranger that left his own community and came to this village has a bright future? Doing all this messing, all these minor jobs, going on for all this farm work has a bright future. Ugo Uchego Dikeh.
Uchem dear, the thing is that love is involved, and God also. I know God will provide for him. I have the strong feeling that he has a bright future. It's not about today, it's about tomorrow. Let's forget about this problem. Yeah, just wish me well.
So tell me, where did you learn how to cook granite? Because this your granite is special and sweet.
What makes it special?
Because you cooked it yourself.
Please stop.
That reminds me, have you given up on school?
No. How can I give up on school? It's just that I've not really made enough money to pay my fees. This business is not really lucrative. I just make small gain from it, and it's not enough to pay my fees.
So if you see money now, you will go back to school?
Yes, I will. I really want to be a graduate. There's no graduate in my family.
Don't worry. I've saved up little money from the minor business I do. I will do something like that.
Really? I will be the happiest girl on earth. Thank you so much.
Anything for you.
But I really have to be on my way because I have chores to take care of at home.
No. Wait now. I'm enjoying our conversation.
I know, but I will give you granite. I know that's what you really want.
No, I want you, not granite. Stay. You go later, huh?
Is that one finished?
Yes.
I take. But you pay, oh.
I will pay.
You pay.
I will pay.
Anyway, I trust you. You don't owe me.
Yes.
I've not seen Ugochi for some time now. But she traveled or something.
Would you here should be the right person to answer that question? You know that 5 and 6 now.
You are right.
Amaka, what is it? Is Ugochi not your friend? Our friend.
You people are closer than us now. What else do you want me to say? Here.
Anyway, ever since her uncle, Uzoka, stopped paying her fees and asked her to start taking care of herself, she has been busy with her granite business, trying to see if she can raise more money to help herself.
Chineke me.
I'm telling you.
Wait, that man is very wicked and heartless. Are you trying to tell me that man encouraged Ugochi in selling granite? Like Ugochi ne realize granite, kita go no granite. Man is very wicked.
Bright for you, wipe your tears. Everything is alright now. Forget the past, 'cause you are new. No more tears. Everything is alright now. The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears. Everything is alright now.
How are you doing? Ugochi, what is the meaning of what she just did?
What did I do?
You don't know what you did. Ugochi, how can you step so low to fall in love with this poor stranger that has nothing to show for than going to different building, carrying block and serving medicine? You're too beautiful for that.
So when has it become your business on whom I've chosen to be friends with? When?
I am very, very disappointed. Do you know why? Because you don't know how endowed you are. So of all the men in this village, it is this thing that just left now, that you decided to fall in love with.
Don't call him a thing. And don't shut me up. You don't have that right. What do you mean that thing? Are you the one that is going to tell me who I'll be friends with?
Okay. But Ugochi, I saw everything. Ugochi, I saw the hugging, the kissing, everything.
I did not kiss anybody. I only hugged him.
Bia, Amaka.
What is it?
Agatha. What is your problem with the way Ugochi lives her life? Obasarun?
Yes, because she's our friend.
Really? As special advisor on love matters, sorry.
What I am trying to say is that Ugochi, our friend here, is too endowed for that thing that just left.
Ugochi
Amaka now.
Special advisor.
Mercy.
Why do you believe people? You don't know tomorrow. Why are you calling him names like that? I don't like it though. He's my friend. I don't like when you insult my friend. I don't like it.
Ogochi, the only thing I want to tell you now is that Nanda Baensi metonye the main makagene. Oh no, igota. That guy bonolo messy iman. Only for zone menaburi blocks from one building to the other.
What about your boyfriend? What does he do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
He's better than him.
What is your business in her matter? Where Jangrogu in her own case? Yes!
At least you should make a right choice. What you should choose right. Let's go. Who go to him matter for that guy? I don't put my website and that guy should know. Oh, even the one place you like even now you should Etiko, calm yourself. They're just being jealous.
And no Panachi will be bother any of them and they will not accept.
Abi?
Don't allow them to disturb you, Biko.
What could they go about? Like even now I'm even tired of you. I don't understand.
Excuse me, young lady. My prince demands to see you right now.
See me for what? Tell him I'm not coming.
He demands to see you now.
I am not coming. Are you deaf? Whatever he wants to say, he should come down and say it to me. I'm not coming there. It doesn't matter.
So what do I tell him?
I said I'm not coming. Are you deaf? Tell him to come down.
He's the prince.
Who cares? I don't.
She says she don't want to see you.
Did you tell her who I am?
I told her.
You did?
Yes, Ali.
Okay, don't worry.
Greetings, my prince.
Excuse me. Alright, quite excuse.
He's the prince.
How are you, beautiful angel?
Please, I'm not your angel. Who are you calling your angel? I don't know why you men like to be insulted before you know that someone does not want you.
Well, let me tell you, you definitely need my attention. You definitely do.
Please, whatever you want to say to me, you have to be fast about it. My boyfriend is waiting.
You call that Richard-looking guy your boyfriend? Anyway, don't worry. Let me show you something. Hold on. Driver.
Yes, my friend.
Have it.
And what is it that you bought from me that you want to pay for? What?
Actually, I didn't buy anything from you, but I just want you to have this. Take care of yourself. You know you're beautiful. You look good. I want you to take this money to shop yourself. You know, just for a start. Just do something good with the money. You know. I like you and I want to, you know, be close to you and make you this girl that everyone will want to be in the village.
Now listen to me.
And leave this wretched boy.
If this is an insult, you better stop it. I never came to you to tell you that I need money. I am not one of these cheap village girls that go around begging for money. I never asked for your money. And this is going to be the very last time you will stop me on the way to insult me. Do you understand that? Nonsense. Prince my foot.
Nonsense. What did you say?
Money. Call that wretched looking guy your boyfriend. What boyfriend are you talking about? This guy doesn't actually know. What's nonsense? Money is love.
Just be angry. The truth is now, no matter what, give me the money, I will give her.
So, are you sure you can talk to her for me?
Talking to her is my business already. I will talk to her on your behalf.
I like this guy. He knows what money is. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I love the guy. Let's go.
Ugo, wait now. Ugo, tell Ugo to wait. Wait now. Relax.
What do you mean wait now? Is this how much you love me? Is this how much you claim to love me? How do you expect me to collect this money? Tomorrow you say you love me. Yet you want me to take this money? You want to sell the love we share because of money?
It's not like that. I'm doing this for your own good.
Yes. How do you mean?
Fine. You need money. You need to go back to school. I don't have. So use this money. I will handle it later. Please.
I know I don't have and you don't have. So why would you collect this huge amount of money from the prince, a man that I don't like? Talk more of love. What if he comes back tomorrow and says I should give him the money he gave us? How do I pay it back?
That's my point. We need this money for now. Use it. When that time comes, I will handle it.
When that time comes, you say?
Yes. Let me listen. It's for your own good. You need this money, okay? Okay, I can handle it. When the time comes, I promise you can handle it.
It's only big.
No, you need it. Whatever comes out of it, I will handle it. Please. The most important thing is that you need to go back to school. You need to take good care of yourself. Please, I won't deceive you now, because
choose that this money is big.
Don't worry.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Nothing will happen to me. Where are you putting the money?
I don't want my hands to see it.
That place will burn the money.
No! My sister, I'm so happy. So very happy.
Go one name. So you mean all these things happened today?
Yes, so.
And Chimubi collected the money from the prince and gave to you.
Honestly, I'm still very shocked.
So, how will you pay back?
That was exactly the question I asked him when he gave me the money. And he said that he will handle it when the time comes. So...
Handle it?
Yes.
How?
I have no idea. My happiness is that I will be starting school tomorrow.
So you'll be going back to school?
Yes. That is why I'm washing my uniform. You don't know how happy I am. I've missed school. I've missed school so much.
Hey, Ubinigwe, how come the one no? Eh? Ogo, I'm still worried.
Over what?
I don't want you to get into trouble.
No, my sister, don't worry yourself. I will never get into trouble. After all, I wasn't the person that collected the money from the so-called prince. So I'm fine, don't worry yourself. Just help me get water. Let me rinse my uniform.
The sun is shining bright for you. Wipe your tears. Everything is alright now. Forget the past.
Where do you think you're going?
Going to school.
Yes. Have you paid your school fees?
Yes.
Nine.
Vero?
Ugochi said she has paid for her school fees. Did you give her money to pay for her school fee?
Mwakwa. No.
So, Ugochi, where did you get money to pay for your school fees? Because I cannot remember giving you any.
Mama, what is it? Why are you wasting our time? Can't you see we are already late for school? Okay, if you insist to know, she used the money she made from her groundnut business to pay for her school fees. Are you satisfied now?
Groundnut business?
Yes, my groundnut business.
Nine. Do you believe her?
Vero, what do you expect me to say?
Let's go.
Get this must again. Huh? It's one must again.
Hey! Jimbo! Nine! Hey! Nine, see what I saw.
Why are you shouting?
Nine, I saw this in Ugochi's bag. We have been living with a criminal in this house.
I don't understand you.
Nine, you know this morning, after I asked Ugochi how she got money to pay for her school fees, she told me it's from her groundnut money. Nine, I did not believe her one bit. So I went inside to search all her bags and I found this money in one of her bags.
You found this in Ugochi's bag?
Yes, Nine.
How much is that? Ugochi.
Nine. 70,000 naira.
What? 70,000 naira?
70,000 naira. Hey! We have been living with a criminal in this house. Look at it.
Alright. You know what you will do? Keep this money in your custody until she comes back. Huh? She will explain to us what transpired.
Nine. If I did not kill Ugochi in this house today, then my name is no longer Veronica. It's okay.
Hey.
No problem.
Ugochi. Ugochi. Hey!
So how far have you gone? Has she accepted to be my wife?
I've been talking to her day in, day out. I've been disturbing her about you, and she's responding fine.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's good. That means she has accepted to be my wife then.
Accepting to be your wife, I can't say. Well, why don't we start with friendship before metamorphosing to wife?
I like her so much. In fact, I'm in love with her. And I've been meaning to ask you this. What is your relationship with her?
My relationship with her, she's just my friend. Casual friends here, that's what we are.
Just a friend?
Yes, sir.
Do you think you can convince her to accept my proposal?
Yes, I have been talking to her day in, day out. But convincing her to become your wife, I can't say yes for now, but let's... In fact, she will accept you. She will.
Really?
Yes, she will.
I am very happy now. Udoka.
Yes, my friend.
Give him the money. Yes, please, just manage that for now. Just manage it.
This manage? Ege Jabana, this is manage.
Manage. Hey. More is coming.
My friends, in fact, wait, let me open the door for you.
No bother. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much. Hey. senseless or what? What makes him think I can convince Ugochi to marry him? Just like that. Am I Ugochi's mother? To crown it all, he has been giving me money. Hey. How will I deliver this? How will I deliver? Can I handle this? And he has been giving me money. Well, it's not my fault now. Did I ask for any money? He's the one dashing me money. I can defend it anywhere I want. Ugochi. Ugochi. Kane Jenny biko kanaka.
Papa, Mama, good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon. Auntie, good afternoon.
Hey, stop there, Gochi. Where do you think you're going? I found this money in your bag. Where did you get this money from?
Hey, Gochi! You have suddenly become a stammerer, So, you have turned yourself into a criminal and a prostitute in my own house, under my nose.
No, Uncle, I'm not a criminal, neither am I a prostitute.
So, where did you get this huge amount of money from? This money was found in your custody. The money you used to pay for school fees, I did not give you. My wife did not give you. Now tell me, where did you get this money from?
Papa, what's all this nonsense for now? Okay, if you want to know, this money is the money she made from the groundnut business.
Yes, exactly. The groundnut business.
Groundnut business? You're still talking. You see. Come here. Step down here. Hey! I will do to you. I will do to you. Come on, you want that? Come on. I will treat you like a criminal. Please, I'm sorry. You're a criminal.
Nah, Chimobi. I don't understand you. How do you get to know the prince? I don't even know where he's from to this village. Are you alright?
Listen, it's not a crime to know the prince.
I know.
Good. He's rich. He loves Ugochi and he wants me to talk to her on his behalf. He has been dashing me money, serious money. Ugochi needs someone like the prince. You know why? Because he's rich. And he can challenge Ugochi's uncle, considering what she's going through in his hands.
Chimobi, can you just listen to yourself? You're just talking blah, 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 blah. Can you just listen to yourself? You mean you change the words because the so-called prince has given you money you don't know how to pay back? Now let me ask you. How are you going to explain this to Ugochi? This rubbish you're telling me now, how are you going to explain it to Ugochi?
Ugochi will understand and even appreciate it. You know why?
Gene.
Every girl needs him.
Chimobi.
Who is after you?
Ugochi. Papa. Mama.
What happened?
Talk.
There's problem.
Trouble?
There's trouble, yeah. Yes, in the house. Please. Can you come? Yes.
So you don't want to talk? Talk now.
Talk,
Where did you get that money found in your bag from? Talk now.
Talk, before I pieces you with this sharp cutlass. Talk before I shred you into pieces. I shred you with this cutlass. Talk now.
Where did you get it from?
Talk. Talk. Faster, my own. Faster.
Ogini. You now. What has she done? Why are you people treating her like a slave? Ogini.
Please.
What do you think of this going on? What has she done? Why are you people treating her like a slave? Organic.
What are you trying to do? You pushed me?
No, I kissed you.
Okay.
Young man, so you have the guts to enter my own house and push my wife like this? You're no longer afraid?
Afraid of who? Afraid of who now? How do you someone does like this? Why? What has she done?
Now you want to know. If you care to know, I'll tell you.
Tell me.
If you care to know, I'll tell you. Okay. Now tell me. Look at this amount of money. How can a small girl like this have this amount of money, this whooping sum, in her own custody? That money over there was found in her bag. Where did she get the money from?
So because of this peanut, you want to disfigure someone's daughter? You don't have the right. If you don't know where she got this money from, call the police. Must you treat her like a slave? Alright, if you must know, I personally gave her this money for her school fees and personal use.
You are a liar.
By the way,
Lie.
now let me ask you. What do you do for a living that you can give this amount to a little girl like this? Tell me!
Commissioner of Police, what I do for a living is none of your business. In Anue, you don't have right to treat someone's daughter like this. Don't try it again. No one should touch this girl again. For the very last time, no one should touch her or treat her like a slave.
This is my house.
Okay.
This is my house. This is becoming intimidating and dirty.
Oga, I am respecting your old age. If I rush you, I swear, your life will never remain the same.
My own house. Okay. Go and come back. You meet me in this house. Onya mutalu kosu na edine. Onya tuli men kosu na edine. Je nata. Go and come back. You come back and meet me.
Ijoma, don't come back here too.
Go. Don't worry, okay? I have warned your uncle. And trust me, they will never disturb you again.
Thank you very much. But what did they say?
Don't mind them. They were just moping and blabbing. But trust me, like I said, they will never disturb you again.
It's alright. Thank you very much. I wonder what I would have done without you.
We are one.
Thank you.
Go. Go. You're too beautiful.
Thank you.
This is for you. Take it.
Wait. Where did you get this huge amount from?
My love, take it first.
No. I will not touch it. Else you tell me where you got it from and what it is for.
Alright, if you insist. You remember that prince I told you about? Prince Gozi?
What about him?
That prince is madly in love with you. Yes, sir. He has been disturbing me. He gave me this money to give you. At the point I was like, okay, let me throw it open because considering his background, he's from a wealthy home. He's rich. He can take good care of you. Yes. I know you love me fine and good, but I have nothing to offer. Look around. No hope, no job, no future. So let's be realistic here. Feel free to consider his proposal. That's my point.
Chimobi, can you hear yourself speak? Are you alright? What are you doing? I thought you said you love me and you can do anything for our love. You want to sell the love we share for money? Is that it? Oh. Now I know that men can never be trusted. Is this how you are? You're giving me money to love the prince? For what? Do you see me as a cheap girl? I am disappointed with what you've just done. What is the meaning of this? Is this how you are? I mean, is this the love you've always promised me? Is this how you want to share the rest of your life with me? Is that it? I don't want to say anything about this. But the only thing I want to say to you right now is that I don't ever want you to come close to me in your life. For this singular act of yours, this relationship is over.
No, my love, wait, please. It's not that serious yet. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let go.
In fact, I was joking. I'm sorry.
What do you mean you were joking?
Please, I'm sorry.
You claim you love me, yet you collected money from the prince for me to accept his proposal. Why would you do that?
My love, I'm sorry.
Did I tell you that I love you because of money?
No, I'm okay.
Have I not seen other suitors, yet I chose you?
My love, I'm sorry. I was just joking. Please forgive me.
You have disappointed me.
If you leave me, I will die. Don't do this, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please.
Love you.
I'm sorry, don't, please.
You hurt me.
No, I'm sorry. Just consider it as a joke. Joke. Don't take it to heart, please. Don't use it against me. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Don't now. Don't cry, please. I'm sorry. Don't.
We have been standing here for over 15 minutes, eh? What are we doing here now?
Don't worry. I'm waiting for maybe taxi or bike. I want us to go and drink at that joint.
That joint? Well, we can share to the place now. Why are you spending the money you don't have?
I don't like stressing you. Let's get a bike or car.
I am not complaining. Let's go now. I got no.
Relax.
Oh, no, now you're on there. Something we can just check.
The prince is here. Greetings, my prince.
Yes, greeting. How are you? Have you been able to convince her yet?
I've been trying my best, but talk to her yourself.
Okay.
That is what you put an end to all this idea. You asked to see me.
Yes. How are you, my beautiful angel?
Point of correction, please. I am not your angel. My name is Ugochi. So I would appreciate if you address me as one.
I'm sorry about that. Please, come in. Come inside the car.
No, I'm not coming in. Whatever you want to say to me, say it.
Well, if you insist, I want to know why you've been turning my proposals down. I've been sending that young man standing there series of messages, but you keep telling me you've been rejecting my offer. I want to know. Listen, I love you. I want to marry you. I want to make you the future queen of my kingdom. Listen, I can do anything for you. Virtually anything. Just think of anything good. I can do it for you. Cars, jewelries. I can build you a mansion if you want. Just marry me.
Are you done?
For now, yes, I am.
Fine. Now it's your turn to listen to me. I appreciate everything you have said, but it's best I go straight to the point and not to waste your time. I am not interested. You see that man standing over there? He is not just my boyfriend, but my husband to be. I love him very much. In fact, we love ourselves. I am sure you might have told him one or two. But now, let me state it directly to you. It can never work. I am engaged to be married. So please, I will appreciate if you don't stop me on the way again or tell me about this marriage thing, because I'm not interested. Can we go now?
What is wrong with this girl? The money I've been spending on her, I've been giving her money, doing everything to get her, but she's still stubborn. What is wrong with her? Imagine, look at the way she's walking. Driver, please, move this car, let's leave here. Nah, that girl is very stubborn. Upon all the promises I made her, she still refuses to accept my proposal. Chimobi, do you think she will accept me later?
My prince, don't give up. You know why? She's a woman. She will always want you to romance her ego, you know. Every woman has pride in her. So just give her a little time. Don't give up. She must succumb.
But she said you are her love and husband to be.
How come I get Jaya? How?
Yes.
What kind of girl will reject a prince and follow someone like me? She's just trying to scare you away to see how grounded and strong you are. Don't give up.
I can't wait to have her as my wife and the future queen of my kingdom.
My prince, look at what you will do. She's a woman and they love material things. So buy her clothes. In fact, give me money, let me shop for her. Spoil her with money. She will soften her heart. That's the only way to show how serious you are.
Okay, are you sure this is going to work?
Perfectly. It will work.
Edo?
Yes, my prince.
This is 100,000 for her. And this 50 is for you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
100,000 naira, I should buy things for her.
Whatever she wants.
50,000 for me. My prince, she's your wife already now. Ejizego na no why. How much is bride price? My prince, she's your wife already. 100k for her, 50k for me.
Yeah, it's nothing.
She's your wife already, sir.
It's nothing.
Thank you very much.
Just try. I'll be very happy.
She's your wife already, sir. How much they use the marijuana? I will follow it up as business.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
My brother, she's your own. Thank you very much.
My sister. My dear. Hi. This Timothy is a very nice person. You know how much all these things are costing? How many people in this village can do all these things? Honestly, I'm beginning to like him more. Seriously. And he's a very nice person.
No, Chimobi has tried so much for me. But I'm worried.
Worried about what again?
What if the prince asks for payback for every money he has given Chimobi to buy all these things for me? How would he refund them? I know he doesn't have money. I don't want him to get into any trouble.
But you heard him say he will settle it when the time comes.
It's not that easy.
You should not be bothered. Besides, you know men and the way they settle their things. So calm down. You did not even ask the prince for any money. The prince is just doing all these things to win your love. So you should not be bothered. Yeah, so it's not refundable after payment.
Look at you with this your small mouth. You just be talking. But the clothes are fine. The clothes are fine.
Why are you two acting like two foolish people without control?
Mama, we are not foolish. We are not foolish.
Hey.
What is all this? Yay!
Joma, who owns all these things?
So Gucci and I.
You and Ugochi. And
And where did you get money to buy all these things?
It's Chimaobi that bought it for us.
Chimaobi?
Chimaobi. That's my friend, you know.
Chimaobi? That riffraff? That poor foolish boy? Where did you get money to buy all these things for both of you? No, this is serious. And something has to be done urgently before something happens. Yeah, nice. Hey! Nice. See.
What is it?
See.
Who owns all this? Who owns all these clothes?
Ask them.
Ugochi.
Ask them.
Ijoma, you had my wife.
Papa, what is it? Is there anything wrong if Chimaobi bought something for I and Ugochi? After all, he's our friend and he's a very nice person.
Hey, Nai, look at your daughter. Standing up at you, ruthlessly, arrogantly and proudly. Talking back at you because of Chimaobi. That useless, that foolish poor boy.
Sorry.
I told you that boy is a criminal. Only God knows where he got money to buy all these things for them. And you have to do something about it fast before something happens to this family.
I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. It's getting out of hand. We will see. We will see.
Okay.
What have you done wrong now?
Please leave them.
Oh, we shouldn't have brought this clothes outside. We would have stayed inside the room.
Why are you bothered? Leave these people now.
My daughter. Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And how's your husband?
My husband is fine.
You look nice.
Thank you. Mama, why didn't you go to church? Today is Sunday.
My body. I wasn't feeling too good.
And how is Papa?
Papa is not back from church yet now, you know.
I knew it.
How is my sister? EJ! Ijoma went out with her partner in crime, Ugochi.
Oh, that one? Mama, I don't know why you people still allow that girl to stay in this house.
You're just coming. We have so much to talk about. Don't bother yourself. We have a lot to talk about. Hey. Let me keep my bag. Okay, my dear. Come, my daughter, come. Just fine, come. Okay. Mama, what is it? What is going on? I'm not seeing anything. Is it that your husband doesn't know how to do it or you're not giving it to him well? What is it?
We are still waiting upon the Lord.
Waiting upon the Lord?
Yes. The Lord's time is the best. Mama, look at what I saw inside. I saw these beautiful clothes, some expensive shoes and bags in Ijoma and Ugochi's room. Who owns them?
My dear daughter, there is nothing I will not see in this house. One stupid boy called Chimaobi bought these things for them.
Chimaobi? Who is Chimaobi? Mama, is this Chimaobi from this community?
No, I don't even know where he came from. And he's a job man. Job man for that matter.
A job man? Mama, how can ordinary job man get those beautiful clothes from?
Who do I ask? Look, don't worry yourself. Very soon we will know the secret behind everything.
They're so beautiful and very expensive.
Well, they're so beautiful. Yes. You're not even a bring this one. This is beautiful. Mama, see. Ooh, very lovely. This is beautiful. Mama, see. Do you like it?
I like it.
I know you will like it. Go and try it, let me see.
I should show it. Go and try it.
My daughter, so you said your mother-in-law has been sick for the past 3 months?
Yes, ma'am. That is what my husband and I has been suffering all this while.
Easy, easy. Take it easy, okay? And what is really wrong with her?
She is diabetic and hypertensive. In fact, the sickness has taken almost all the money that my husband has. That is why he is even now in the village. Because there is no money for him to do business anymore. Yes.
To that extent?
In fact, I am confused. I'm so tired. I didn't even know why I went into that marriage in the very first place. Let me tell you, Mama. Do you know that we can hardly feed 2 square meals these days? To tell you the truth, Mama, I'm even planning coming back.
No, my daughter, don't say that. You see, marriage, they say, is for better, for worse. And besides, what will people say?
What will people say? What is my business about what people will say? Mama, do you want hunger to kill me in that house? In a man's house who can hardly feed me just because of what people will say? Mama, no, please. I am coming back.
Don't worry, okay? We'll talk more about it when your father comes, okay? Talk more about it, okay?
Mama, I'm just tired.
Josephine, what is the meaning of this? Is this not supposed to be my new clothes? Which I have not even worn, and you're already wearing it without my permission. What is this supposed to mean? What is this supposed to mean? Wait, I thought you were a married woman. Or is your so-called husband not capable enough to buy you clothes? In your life, don't you ever try to lay those filthy hands of yours on me. You have done this so many times and I kept mute. I will never keep quiet again. You will never dare. If you try it, Josephine, if you try it, what I will do to you, you will never resist it.
Ugochi.
Sister, were you trying to slap her?
Shut up! If you are not my sister, I would have given you what I got for this fool. You are the bigger fool. Josephine.
Mama?
What? What is it? Eh? So, you have the gall to insult my daughter because of this nonsense clothes that good for nothing boy bought for you? Who knows if it's not the money he stole from people that he used in buying these clothes? Is that why you insult my daughter?
I'm not surprised. Mama, I'm not surprised at all because I know you've never liked me. It's fine. And as for you, married woman, I am giving you the last warning of your life. Don't you ever come to this house and wear my clothes without informing me. If you try it, I reserve my comments. For the fact that you have worn this clothes, I will never ever wear it again. Because obviously you need it more than I do. Rubbish. Can I dash you, please?
Who cares?
Jetta,
look. Don't worry, my daughter. Look, the clothes are still there. If you want more, go and take more and wear. Nothing will happen. If she talks, I will push her out of this house. She has no one to speak for her.
You can imagine this girl telling me to take permission from her before. Ugochi, talking back at me when I was... Mama, no, I can't take this. Oh.
Mama, leave her. She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
No, please, I'm begging.
Please, please, please. She's not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere. Come back.
Beg them for me.
You're not going. This is your father's house. What is it? You're not going anywhere. What's that? Come, let's go inside.
I don't care where you go to. Go to it. Carry me back and leave.
Please beg them for me. Don't mind them.
Mama, put this down.
You must stay here.
Come back.
Stay in this house. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Mama, open this door. Mama, you should open this. Why do you want her to go by this time of the night? Why you put so wicked?
What can she do? Where will she go? Oh, she's crying all the time. Life is misery daily, and she's so lonely. So she's crying all the time. Sorrows and tears, the pain is so hard to bear. So she's crying all the time. Life is misery daily.
Nai, I am not here to challenge you or to fight you, no. But let's call a spade a spade. You threw an innocent girl out of your house by that time of the night. Midnight, for crying out loud. That's wrong. What if something bad had happened to her? Nai, let me ask you this question. If Ugochi is your biological daughter, will you treat her that way? Would you? It's wrong. Why are you heartless? Why are you mean? You have been maltreating that girl, rough handling her. She is not a slave, for crying out loud. She is not. Look at this ape. Look at this good for nothing boy. So you have the effrontery to come to my house and vomit this rubbish. Huh? So Ugochi is in your house. It is clear to me now that you are the brain behind Ugochi's misbehavior and her disrespect to me and my wife. But not to worry. I must put a stop to this. Listen, let me warn you. I don't want to see you close to Ugochi anywhere around my house again. If you try that, you won't like what I'll do to you. Dear me, do I look afraid? No, tell me, do I look afraid? My point is this. Stop treating her as if she's a slave. It's wrong. Why are you mean? Why are you heartless? Listen and listen good. If Ugochi stays in your house in the next 20 minutes, you see what I'll do to you. So go back to that your God-forsaken house and push her out. Now. Nai, you threw an innocent girl out. Now you are asking me to throw her out again. Where is your conscience? Huh?
Hey! Don't you ever speak to my father like that. Are you mad? Is anything wrong with your head? Let me tell you, if you ever speak to my father like that again, you see what I will do to you.
Listen, it's wrong to be ugly and senseless at the same time. Besides, women don't talk when men are talking. You should be in your husband's house, but you are here out of your stupidity, yet you have the guts to talk. Who called you?
Now let me tell you, it is obvious you have eyes but you don't see. If you dare call me ugly. Papa, did you hear this idiot?
No, don't mind.
No, Papa, wait. It means that stupid Ugochi has gone to this riffraff to gossip with my name.
My daughter, it's okay. I don't blame you. If Ugochi has not been there in his house, will he have the God to come here and vomit this rubbish? Eh? Now listen good. Let me warn you for the last time. In the next 20 minutes,
go back to that your God-forsaken house and push that girl out of your house. Huh? Failing which, you see what I'll do.
I should go and throw an innocent girl out of my house. The same girl you threw. In fact, I don't have what to say. Ugochi will not come back to this house. Simple.
Hey, is Ugochi your daughter? Is she your sister? Just do what my father asked you to do.
Okay. Breaking news. Ugochi is my friend and wife to be.
Just look at him.
Let me not see Ugochi in the next 20 minutes. And see how hell will be let loose on your head.
Please, Ugo. I don't want you to be thinking too much about how my parents are treating you. I believe that one day they will change for good. And by that time, they will start treating you as their own daughter.
You don't worry yourself. I don't blame them. I blame death. That took my family away from me. If not because of that, I won't be suffering all this. But it's fine. And I thank God for the presence of Chimobi in my life. He has really helped me. I know he doesn't really have money, but the way he takes care of me and loves me, it's enough for me. I'm fine.
Are you sure you're comfortable staying here with him? Remember your agreement the last time? Are you sure he will not?
No. If that is where you're driving at, then you're wrong. If it's about sex, he's not that kind of person. He has never made an attempt. Honestly, don't look at me like that.
Okay.
I won't lie to you. Sometimes I wonder the kind of parents he has. They really trained him well. Honestly.
Okay, no problem. Since you're comfortable here, I'm happy for you. But I've not seen him this morning. Where has he gone to?
He said he will be going to our house to talk to your mother. I mean, your parents.
For what? I'm not comfortable with that at all. Since you're comfortable here with him, there's no need for that.
EJ, he is doing the right thing. Yes.
But honestly, I'm not happy.
My stubborn EJ, don't worry.
You know I want nothing but your happiness.
Yes, and I'm happy.
At least, you will not be receiving slap again.
I'm fine now, thank you very much. You don't have to be in the house.
Don't worry now. I only came to see you. I've missed you a lot.
Papa, will you allow that boy to go scot-free just like that? After all the insult and humiliation? Hey, Papa. Papa, you are not saying anything.
Please allow me to think.
I should allow you to think. Come to think of it, where is that Ijoma? Papa, I have not seen Ijoma since morning. Did you send her anywhere?
I have not seen her either. Maybe she went out with your mother.
Okay. Look at her coming. I said stop there! Where have you been since morning and where do you think you are coming from?
And what sort of question is that? When did you start monitoring my movements in this house? Eh?
Here. I am talking to you and you're walking out on me. Are you mad? Have you gone crazy? Huh? And you are asking me why I must monitor your movement in this house. Have you forgotten I am your elder sister? I am talking to you.
If you must know, I went to see Ugochi at Chimobi's house.
What? You went to where? Why must you go there?
And what business of yours if I went to see Ugochi?
Chimo.
Now, let me warn you. Don't you ever ask me such question again.
Hey!
Inanu, after all, you caused all these things. If you had not come back from your husband's house, all these things wouldn't have happened. Go back to your husband's house. You're no longer needed here.
Papa! Papa! Did you hear this rat? Did you hear Ijeoma speak to me in this manner?
And if I talk to you, what will you do?
Me? Josephine, have you forgotten? You are asking me what I would do.
Eh? You want to slap me? Chinekime.
Hey! I will kill this girl. I will kill this rat in this house, oh!
Touch me! Touch me!
Both of you! Will you stop that madness before I strip you of it? And you, Ijeoma, what has come over you?
Papa?
Why must you insult your elder sister because of Ugochi? Are you alright? Are you alright?
Papa, tell her to go back to her husband's house. If not, I'm going to give him. You know, Nene. What a nail, can a lot of no man can have.
Hey! Papa! Papa! Did you hear what this rat just said to me now? Have you seen what that miserable Ugochi is teaching this girl in this house? To be insulting me!
It's okay.
Papa, it's not okay. It is not okay because I am going to kill her in this house! Ijeoma!
Hello? Hello? Is that Police Sergeant Joe? Yeah, Sergeant Joe, this is Uzoka talking. I have a matter at hand. Yes, there's this criminal that I want us to go and arrest. Kidnap of my elder brother's daughter.
What? Kidnapping?
He is a criminal. From all indication, yes, he is a criminal. I heard a criminal.
You're going to the station now. All right, go there, wait for us. We are coming. You will see us in less than 30 minutes.
Thank you.
Sir, what is it?
Yeah, let's go back to the station. Somebody is coming over there to see us.
Ugochi said, take her home now. Take her home. What's my business?
Uncle, wait. They've been here since waiting for you. You can't just abandon them. Attend to them, please. They've come to look for me, please.
Ugochi. So you've grown wings, eh? To drag me on my top.